Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my channel. As you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on currency pair, on different pair. Today, if you are watching my channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop my next video. You can also like and comment on this video. So guys, today we are going to be drawing up a technical analysis on gold versus USD. XAU versus USD. So as you know that trading forex is high to risk, and I want you guys to always follow up with these updates that I always drop on this channel, which can really help you to draw up your daily analysis and to follow up the trade. So guys, as I always tell you guys, that if you want to start your technical analysis, you need to start it from your day one time frames, which is your day time frame. So you have to first view it on your day time frames. So when you see it on your day time frames, then you can easily know what the market is all about. You see, we have a market from this aspect that is coming on a downtrend. You see, we have a downtrend up to this level, and if you check it very well from here, it's moved on a range of uptrend, and currently now we are having a what, a uptrend. So now guys, we are going to be checking it out and see what we can do, how the view is, and how we can do this to us to help each other in trading SAUUSD. So guys, we are going to be making use of our trade 9 to identify our what, our resistance level, and we are going to be identify our resistance level, our support area, before we can go into the market. So now I'm going to be identify those zone now. So I'm going to be identify those zone now. You see, we have, you need to find those area know that there is a rejection on that particular area, you see. And also we have from this particular area, so we have to drop up the points, and we have to let our market meet that area that you see that there is a rejection there. You see, from here to here, from here we have a rejection here, and we also have from here. So what you are now going to do now is that you are going to identify the second part, which is the second trend line right now. So we are going to be checking, we have a rejection zone here also, we have a rejection zone here, and we have a rejection zone here. So you are going to be joining it together for you to have a clear view of the market. You see that, so for you to have the clear view of the market. So see the way I'm drawing it out now. You see, it will really help you a lot if you can also follow up like this. You are going to be joining it together for you to identify those areas that are very important in the market. You see, so when you identify this particular spot on your day time frames, you can easily see what the market is about to do. You see, from this particular area now, you see that the market is on a downtrend, and when it gets to this particular level, we know that the market move on a uptrend. So another thing I want you guys to always do is that all this rejection zone, you need to identify it as your support area. You see, this is exactly what I always tell you guys. You need to identify those rejection zone as a support area. So I'm going to identify it now as a support area. The first one is this area. Okay, we are going to be identify that out. We are going to be identify that out. You see, we identify that. The second aspect is this area too. We are going to be identify that particular area. You see, where you are having that touch, where you are having that same touch, you see that where you are having this touch, where they are joining together with the trend line, you see, this particular area are the area that I want you to what, to analyze out. And also we have another one at this upper area. So you are going to identify this area too as your what, as your support area. We're going to identify that as your support area. So you see guys, you see how this is really working here. You see how it's working. So you have identified that particular zone, and also when you can see now we have a rejection zone here, you need to identify it. You have another rejection zone here. You don't need to identify this again because it has matched with this one, this support area at the upper side there. You see, it has matched together with this. So you do not need to what to identify this particular zone. So now another thing you need to understand is this particular zone where you need to identify it out so that you can have a clear view of the market. So let me identify it out now. You see, we are we can identify that particular area, and here also we have a rejection zone at this level. You see, we have rejection here, we have rejection here, we have rejection at this area too. So you are going to identify that particular area also. You are going to identify it out for you to have the clear vision of what is going to happen in the market in the next couples of days. You see now we have the market that fall from this as aspect and it move on a uptrend up to this level. Immediately it reach these support areas, it break it up, and it was in between this resistance and this support, and they keep on you see it respect this support area at this moment, and you keep on taking up a what a uptrend up to this moment. You see that. So now we know that this market is in between this support area, this resistance, and this support area. So what we are looking at is exactly on a day time frame. So now you are going to be going to for 1 hour time frame for you to what to see what is happening in 1 hour time frame. Maybe you can easily identify what the market is all about in 1 hour time frames so that you can see and identify what you need to what to do. So guys, let me show you exactly how the market look like in 1 hour. You see, that's exactly how it look like in 1 hour trade. You see that it keep on what moving on the uptrend. Okay, let's check 4 hour before 1 hour 1 hour. Let's check 4 hours trade. Let's see how it look like on 4 hours trade. You see that. So this is our 4 hours. What can you see at this particular area? What can you identify at this particular zone? We can see from here we have a rejection from here which give up a what a uptrend up to this level, and if we can check this very well, it give us a clear view on something that we can easily identify here. You see that we can easily draw something out from here. You see, we have a rejection zone here, a support area, which give us a what a uptrend at this moment. So, guys, I'm going to draw up another uptrend from this moment now, which it indicates to me that this market is going on a what on a uptrend. You see, it's going on a uptrend. It's going on a uptrend. You see that. So what's next now is for you to identify the down trend and the down area also, so that you can have the clear view of the world of the market. You see that. So we have another uptrend from the moment here. You see the market keep on moving on the uptrend, break these resistance areas and keep on moving on the uptrend. And when it gets to this particular zone, it break it down to these levels, respect this support, and you keep on what trading on a what on a uptrend, giving us another what another uptrend level. So guys, let's see what this market is going to give us when we reach these particular areas on 4 hours time frames. You see that. So we are going to analyze our charts here. Let's see. So we are going to be checking out those areas that are very important to us. You see that. You see the clear view of it. So guys, exactly this is exactly how it's going to look on 4 hours time frames. So what you need to do now, you see there is a break, there is a support area that there is a resistance zone at this particular area that break it down, and now it's giving us a what? A breakthrough the trend line, and it's continue giving us a what? A uptrend. So now we have two things that this market currently now is going to do. The first thing is that this market, we might go on a what? On a uptrend, or it can go on a what? Uh, on a downtrend. You see this market, it might go on a uptrend, break these support areas and move to this particular area, or it respect this support area and move to towards the resistance level. So we have the two things for you to identify this moment. If you can check that, you can see that it's respecting that particular area. So we have two things now for us to look. It's either the market break up to this level when it reverse from this support area, or the market break down this support area. It break down this support area. So guys, so let's watch out what the market is. So at this current time now, we not advise anyone to take up a trade, because yeah, we don't know what the market is about to do. Maybe the market is going on a uptrend or is going on a downtrend. So what you need to do is to just very patient. Let's see the move of the market before you can enter the market. So guys, you can set this up on your chart and keep on checking in before you enter into your market when you have an assurance confirmation on what the next move will be. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. It's going to help us a lot, and also you can like and comment on this channel. You can likes and comment, share your experience so far using this strategy, using this analysis with your own personal uh, tutorials and class. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you.